Hello everybody, it's me and we're back again to talk about a new interior decorating tip. And this time around, we're going to talk about bedroom gallery wall ideas. I know a lot of artsy people and there are hundreds of reasons to simply love gallery walls. Also, your bedroom is your room, and by adding gallery walls, you showcase your personality like never before. Also, it's great because gallery walls take less work than stenciling or plastering wallpaper. There's also less cleanup. If you're ready to make a statement and revamp your room's overall appeal, let's get on with the first idea. Number 1. Gallery wall with lighting. Gallery walls compile all sorts of colors and pictures together. It's an attention grabber, really. Highlight your favorite wall art pieces with warm accent lights. Next up, try a floor-to-ceiling gallery. So you have plenty of wall space in your room, do you? The easy solution to that is a floor-to-ceiling wall gallery. Cover one wall with tastefully arranged wall art and enjoy. Coming in at number 3, try an eclectic bedroom gallery wall. Yes, we're talking about canvas wall art specifically. You can't get more eclectic than a gallery wall, but you can make it even more eclectic by adding hanging plants, faux animal head mounts, light sconces, etc. Next up, a patterned bedroom gallery wall. No shade if you're a big fan of texture. Also, this one's for boho interior fans. Grab a bunch of patterned canvas wall art and arrange them all together to bring in some vibrant bedroom decor. There's also a minimalist gallery wall. Keep your bedroom simple but flashy. It doesn't have to be floor to ceiling if you don't want it to. To adhere to minimalism, go with symmetrical arrangements and group your wall arts into grids. Well, we hope that helped you a lot in thinking of ingenious ideas for your bedroom gallery wall. Get it and have fun, will you? But once again, we've come to the end of the video. What do you think about these bedroom gallery wall ideas? Tell us in the comments. And of course, if you want more wall art tips, check out our previous video all about putting up wall art for open floor plans. Leave us a like if you like this and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. And don't forget to ring that bell icon so you stay notified to the next tip around wall art. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time.